A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter molecular basis of inheritance, and the topic is genetic code. As we know, the genetic code is present on DNA, or all are copied on mRNA for the protein synthesis. The process is known as transcription. During the transcription, all the codes which are present on DNA in the form of nucleotides or nitrogenous bases, all are copied on mRNA. But the complication is that how there are 20 kind of proteins or 20 kind of amino acids, 20 amino acids which participate in protein synthesis. In protein synthesis. 20 kind of amino acids which participate in protein synthesis. But the major complication is that how 20 amino acid is coded by 4 nitrogenous bases. So there are only 4 on a genetic material. The nitrogenous bases or nucleotide are of different type. If we talk about the DNA, so nucleotide are DNTP in the form of DNTP, that is deoxynucleotide triphosphate, or if we want to write in the form of nitrogenous bases or presence of that denote the nitrogenous bases. So DATP, that means the nucleotide has a nitrogenous base adenosine, whereas DGTP have guanosine triphosphate, guanine, thymine and cytosine in CTP. So there are only these 4 nucleotide present, 4 type of nucleotide present on DNA molecule. All are copied just like on DNA, mRNA, and in the form of ATP, GTP, TTP and CTP. These are the nucleotide present on mRNA. Now, so how these 4 nucleotide amino acids. If ATP code only 1 amino acid, so there is only 4 amino acids should be present in a protein molecule. Only 4 amino acids should be present in a protein molecule. But the protein is formed by approximately more than the 100 amino acid, or can be less than the 100 amino acids. But it is necessary that the protein molecule has 20 amino acid. A protein molecule has more than 20 amino acid. So if ATP only code a single amino acid, so in a protein chain only 4 amino acid will be present. But this is not the right, because as we know there are more than 100 amino acids may be present in a protein chain. If we want to understand that there are two combination of nucleotides synthesize a single protein. Like if there are multiple of 2, if codons that code protein are multiple of 2, that means 2 nucleotide just like this GTP codes a single amino acid. So 4 into form a combination of multiple of 2 nucleotide, so there should be only 16 amino acids coded by 16 amino acids coded by the multiple of 2 nucleotide, but it is a less than the 20 amino acids. So how the 4 amino acid coded by, or coded by which nucleotide? So there is a possibility of the nucleotide present in a triplet form. So as we know, doublet, in the doublet form they only code 16 amino acid, but if you want to form a doublet structure, triplet form, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64 codons are present. 60 code, but it is more than the 20 codon. If we want to form doublet codon, so they only code 16 amino acids, that is the less than the 20 amino acid, because 20 type of amino acid participate in the protein synthesis present in the protein chain. So how the 4 with rest of the 4 how they coded by the nucleotide, or which codon code the nucleotide? So it is a question which arising after the formation of nucleotide or codon in a doublet form. But if we want to triplet the codon, because a single codon do not code 20 amino acid, they code only the 4 amino acid. If we form a doublet codon, or that is they appear in the doublet form, so they only code the 16 codon. But if we want to analyze that triplet codons are present, but the codons are more than the amino acid. So it is quite easier to understand that more than one codon code a single amino acid. So on the basis of this, we can easily understand that 64 codons are present, or there are possibility of formation of triplet codon, because there is no such evidence for the doublet codon. Because of this reason they only code 16 amino acid, but 64 codon can code 20 amino acid. Because of this reason, that more than one codon code a single amino acid. More than one codon code a single amino acid. Now let us discuss about silent feature of codon, or how the triplet codon form. It is obviously analyzed in the free cytoplasm, or also in the outside the cell medium by the Nirenberg. It is clearly observed with the help of enzyme phosphorylase enzyme, which is important in the protein synthesis, or how the triplet codon code 20 type of amino acid. Now let us discuss about how the triplet codon formation occur. As we know, simply in the dihybrid or monohybrid cross, we simply form a Punnett square, in which if there are, for example, just an example only. So capital A, small a. So how many combinations will arise by such type of allele? We simply put a symbol on both the side of Punnett square. So we form A, small a, capital A, small a, and small a, small a. So we observe that 3 overall combinations combination in the form of ratio. Just we form like this, we can also form a checkerboard, or through the checkerboard we can it is easy for us to form 64 codon. Form a checkerboard. For the formation of 64 codon. So we can divide the checkerboard in 4 column, then also divide the checkerboard in 4 row. Now, here according to the you see the codon present on mRNA in the form of the thymine replace uracil, so that's why the codon present. Now similarly, right here also U stand for uracil, as you know. G. Now the each block write the all the 4 nitrogenous base in each block. G. U C A G. U C A G. A. Now these are the overall codon. Here is the first position, and these are above second position, second and third position. So first let us write the combination of triplet codon, because we know they are appear in the form of triplets, because in doublets they only code the 16, so there is one possibility only, there are 64 codons, or how we make 64 codons. Now first position is U, and the second is U, and the third is U again. Then first, second, W, third is C. First, second, third is A. First, second, third is G. So these are 4 type of codon in each. Like 4 triplet codon present in each block. Here is overall 16 block, or each consisting of 4 triplet codon. So that's so total the codons are 64 codons. 64 codons are present. Now here is again, first is U, second is C, then U, first, third one is U, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, like this. Here is again the first, second and third. First, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second and third. Now, similarly here also, the first, second, third, first, second, third, Now first, second, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third. Now similarly C, 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 U, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third. Here is C and A, C, A, then third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, like this. Again C, first is C and the second is G, cytosine, guanine and uracil. First, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third. First is adenosine or uracil. First, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, and first, second, third. First, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third. Now A and A. First, second, third. Now adenosine or guanine. First, second, third. Similarly, here also first is guanine and then uracil or uracil. Now first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third. This is the sequence. Now guanine, first, second. You can write here also. First, second, first, second. Now first, second, first, second, GAG. Now the last block. Now these are the triplet codon overall. Now let us discuss the silent feature of these triplet codon. As we know, there are 64 codons present in all living organism, or these are present in triplet codon, or out of 64, 61 triplet codon codes amino acid. Rest of the 3 codon do not code any type of amino acid, so thus they are known as 3 triplet codon. Triplet codons are known as stop codon. Stop codon. So how many codons are there which do not code any of the amino acid, like UAA and UAG? Stop codon, they do not synthesize, and here is the UGA. Again, stop codon. So these 3 stop codon do not code any type of amino acid. They actually stop or terminate the protein synthesis. Termination of at this region, any of the tRNA do not bring any of the amino acid, or at this region the terminating factors or releasing factor bind, RF bind at this region, stop codon. So thus they only 61 triplet codon code for amino acid, but there are 64 codon required for the overall protein synthesis. Out of 64, only 61 triplet codon code amino acid. Rest of the 3 triplet codon function as a stop codon. Another thing is that the triplet codons are degenerative in nature. Codons are degenerative in nature. What is meaning of degenerative? Like one codon one amino acid code by more than one codon, or simply more than one codon codes amino acid. One amino acid. So what is meaning of that? For example, triple U, these four codon code phenylalanine. Amino acid phenylalanine. Now, AUG code amino acid methionine, or sometimes GUG also code methionine in prokaryotes, but also code valine and methionine. If GUG present in the middle of the strand, then they only code valine. If they are present in prokaryotic cell, if they are present in the starting point from where the synthesis starts, so at this reason they only code methionine, that is formyl methionine in prokaryotic bacteria. And there are so many codon like isoleucine and leucine, which code amino acid which code isoleucine. Now, these are the phenylalanine, code the phenylalanine, or all these six. There are 6 triplet codon which code only leucine. There are 6 triplet codon which code only leucine. So, more than one codon code a single amino acid code by 6 codon. Similarly, isoleucine is coded by 3 codons. If in a chain any one of these 3 is present, so they only code isoleucine. Like GUC, all such kind of 4 amino acid, like if they are present in front, so they that is the reason behind, but they are specific in prokaryote, not the all type of cell. So they code only valine. These 4 code only valine. Now all these 4 code serine. If any of the 4 present in a coding sequence, so they only code serine. These 4 codon code proline, threonine, or these code alanine. So here this one code tryptophan. These 2 code tyrosine. Now all these code glycine. So such like other. So all the amino acid, 20 kind of amino acid code by 64 codon.